and this is about like being gay and lesbian. Doesn't matter. But I think people should be treated the same no matter what, how they are, or like gay, lesbian. It doesn't matter to me. Like, I love hanging out with them. Like, being one of the girls, and if you're lesbian, it doesn't bother me. Like, I accept people how they are, and I think you should too. And like, this video ain't gonna be funny. It's gonna be like serious matters. Like, it's gonna be them. It's gonna last for a little while, not that long. But like, I think people should be treated the same. It shouldn't matter how they are, and people should not be bullied because of how they are. God made them that way, so accept them. God accepted them. I think you should accept them. And if you can't, then it's your fault. You're gonna have to get used to how they are. That's pretty much all I gotta say. Accept people how they are, or they won't accept you. Someone accept you if you can't accept them. Think about it.